Hello, hello guys. Good morning at magandang gabi sa buong mundo. Gagawa tayo ng gulaman. Simpleng dessert lang. Gulaman at saka condensed milk at evaporated milk. At lagyan natin ng fruit cocktail. Ito lang guys, simpleng paraan para gumawa ng dessert. At madaling gawin. At hanggang dito na lang guys. Salamat sa panonood. See you in my next video. God bless us. Thank you, thank you, thank you.